Good Thursday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Before we get started, I just want to say we're going to do these video vlogs a little different moving forward. We're going to do a morning update where we basically go over that day's forecast. And then in the evenings, we'll have a 6-day forecast and really a bigger video vlog. But these are going to be some shorter video vlogs in the morning to help you plan your day. So taking a look at today's weather, brought to you by Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, and Tan Energy and Nutrition. Make sure to check them out all over on Facebook. But starting off with current conditions currently, temperatures as of 9 a.m. are in the 60s across the area. 60 degrees in Mena, 64 in Hot Springs, currently 67 in Texarkana and Arkadelphia. The warmest area right now is Camden. They're at 68 degrees. Magnolia and El Dorado's at 66, and D Queen is at 63 at this current time. Taking a look at satellite, we see a mixture of pretty much mostly cloudy skies right now. Mostly cloudy to overcast skies. Maybe seeing a few peaks of sun up here near Umpire, but we'll watch that closely. But throughout the day, that trend's going to continue. Mostly cloudy skies look likely. As we go throughout the day, though, you could see a few more peaks of sun across the coverage area, and we'll take a look at what's in store for the rest of today and your forecasted highs. So as you can see, forecasted highs, they're going to range today from the upper 60s to the lower 70s across the area. That cloud cover is really going to help keep us a little on the cool side, or not really warm up too much, but not also, it kind of helped us not cool down a whole lot last night. As you can see, we are nearing our highs already for today in some areas across southwest Arkansas, but a slow warming day today with that cloud cover. You're not really getting that surface. You're not able to get the sun to the ground to really help you heat, or to really help you warm up more. And if that, in the areas that we do see sun, that may help keep them, or that may make them warm up just a little more, depending on, how much sun you see and all that. There's a lot more that goes into that. Just a quick overview on that. As we go throughout the day, though, expecting those conditions to continue. And then overnight lows tonight are going to be in the lower 50s to the basically in the 50s. Lower to upper 50s will be likely across the area, depending on what we get with cloud cover. If Mena or a few of those Ouachita Mountain region areas could see, if they do see some clearing, you may get a little cooler into the upper 40s, but we're currently keeping them at 50 degrees because mostly cloudy skies look to continue at least throughout the day today. But as you see there, 50-degree temperatures there across the area. Now, we do have a bunch of football games going on for the final regular season week of high school football tonight. So instead of Friday Night Lights, we'll do another one of these tomorrow, but a high school football Thursday night outlook. You can see kickoff, mostly cloudy skies really expected throughout the whole football games. Temperatures are going to start out in the lower 60s, around 62 degrees. And a few areas could be near 65 to 60 degree range. 0% chance of rain, northeast wind of 5 miles per hour. We stay dry throughout most of the day today, we expect to stay dry throughout the day today. Then as we go into the overnight hours, we'll show you that here in just a minute. Halftime, temperatures are going to continue to cool down. A few areas will be in the upper 50s overnight, or a few other areas will be in the lower 60s across the area, and pretty much a northeast wind of 5 miles per hour as we go throughout the day today, or throughout the game and throughout the day today across the area. Then as we go into the fourth quarter and the end of games, temperatures are going to be in the upper 50s across the area. A few lower 60s could be possible with a 10% chance of rain and a northeast wind of 5 miles per hour there as well. Now let's show you what future radar could potentially look like. Once again, this is the HRRR model. So remember, things could and will change with it. This helps you give the general idea on what we could see. It's trying to pick up that, hey, there may be a few light showers here and there, a few just mist, I guess you could say. And that could be possible. We did have fog and some mist earlier, but that trend, as we go throughout the day today, kind of keeps those rain chances just a little further off to your east there. Maybe just a few areas of maybe some chances of some light isolated showers, if that. You got to remember, this data is just picking up little bits and pieces, so it may not even occur. You got to remember that. That's one thing to remember with this. But really, as you go into the overnight time frame, could see a few more little isolated showers being a possibility there after we pass that 12 a.m. time frame and into Friday morning or overnight tonight. But we'll watch that closely there as well. Taking a look at some more data here. When you look there, or take this off in this trend here. Give me just one moment. Let this load. You can kind of see that trend tries to continue to bring some isolated showers overnight there as well. But we'll talk more about that tonight in the evening outlook, and pretty much that's the trend as we go throughout the day today. Temperatures are going to continue to warm up slowly, but for the most part, expecting mostly cloudy skies across the area. And not really expecting to see much in terms of rainfall, although you can't rule out maybe a mist or two across the area, but that's going to bring us to the end of today's daily or morning outlook. As always, make sure to check us out over on Facebook and Instagram for all the newest, for just any new posts that we post. We post a lot over there as well. And welcome to the page to all of our new subscribers and followers. We did get a big increase throughout the severe weather events. We'll be here ready to track the next storm and system for you. And as always, we'll talk more about what's in store for the next 6 days and what we could see going into this weekend for our hunters forecast tonight in the evening outlook. And as always, have a good rest of your Thursday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.